Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is urging human rights organizations to practice fair play in carrying out their duties. While commending Jamaicans for Justice, JFJ, for its work over the years, Mr. Chuck noted that the group has been labeled as an organization that focuses primarily on the injustices done to offenders by the state.
But I dare say, over the years or the decades in Jamaica, we have far too many wrongdoers, criminals, the corrupt, the indisciplined, the lawless, who regrettably have been emboldened to feel that they are above the law. And if they breach the law, they can always get various organizations to speak for them. We have to be very careful.
In defending the role of the organization, Executive Director Michael Jackson noted that the state has a responsibility to protect the rights of its citizens.
The state ensures that we have adequate laws to govern ourselves, to protect us as a country. Where does JFJ fit in now? When the state fails in its obligation, when the state fails to adhere to the very laws that it has put in place, JFJ as a human rights organization then steps in, because we have to ensure that the state has the highest levels of integrity.
They were both speaking at the launch of the JFJ's Justice for All campaign earlier today.